Okay, so first thing you have to do is put in the amounts here. So I'm going to make some amounts up. Square footage, I'll say 1,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, not on a cul-de-sac, no swimming pool, no lakefront. All right, I can put in an address here, make something up real quick. All right, and then price per square foot. What they usually do is they provide that for you on the website that you find. So we'll say it's about $167 per square foot. Now is where you have to start doing formulas. So everything here in the yellow, you're just finding that on the website that you use, realtor.com, to find the house prices. Over in the blue is where you're doing formulas. So in order to do a formula, the first thing you have to do is an equals sign. Then I'm trying to decide the total value of 1,500 times 167. So I'm going to click on 1,500, and then the asterisk sign or shift and the 8 key gives us an asterisk or a star, it looks like. That's our multiplication. Then I'm going to take that times 167 to give me the total value. So the price of this house, $250,500. Perfect. Now I'm going to do a formula for the rest of these. So I'm going to start out with an equals always. Take number of bedrooms times, so that's the asterisk, and then select the 4,000. So it says here C14 times D14, which is these two cells. So I've got C, column C, and row 14. So C14 times D14, and I hit enter. So this is how you do formulas. The key with a formula is that you always start with an equals. So I'm just taking all of these things times each other. So we're just multiplying the list amount. So I'm going to finish that out, do that for the rest of these. Now it says value right here because when I take no times 3,000, obviously there's nothing to multiply by. No is not a number. So is it on a cul-de-sac? If it was yes, it is on a cul-de-sac, then I should probably put a 1. Since it's not on a cul-de-sac, I'm going to put a 0. Now I get 0 value because you add value to your house for those things. Swimming pool, lake, or a pond. So if it doesn't have those things or no, you can put a 0. If it does live on a cul-de-sac or it does have a swimming pool, you'd put a 1. Okay, now that I've got all those values here, now I'm going to add them up right here. So the formula we use to add a list of numbers is equals, always start with equals, and then sum, left parenthesis, drag and highlight. So I clicked up here at the top, kept it clicked, drug it down to the bottom here. So sum E13 through E19. So the total estimated cost of that home, $283,500. So the key with formulas is starting with the equal sign and then hitting enter. And it's just like using a calculator. Excel or Google Sheets will do the formulas for you.